Using rustic wood furniture in home decor offers a myriad of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. The charm and character inherent in rustic wood pieces create an inviting atmosphere that resonates with many homeowners. This style emphasizes the natural beauty of wood, showcasing its unique imperfections and textures, which contribute to a warm and cozy environment. The appeal of rustic wood furniture lies not only in its visual impact, but also in the emotional connections and practical advantages it brings to daily life. One of the primary benefits of rustic wood furniture is its ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. The natural imperfections found in rustic wood, such as knots, grain variations, and weathered surfaces, tell a story of their own. Each piece carries the essence of the trees from which it was made, creating a tangible link to nature. This connection can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity, often reminiscent of childhood memories spent in cozy cabins or countryside homes. The warmth of rustic wood invites individuals to engage with their spaces on a deeper level, fostering a sense of belonging and tranquility. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of rustic wood furniture and decor pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its emotional appeal, rustic wood furniture is often characterized by its durability and longevity. Many rustic pieces are crafted from solid hardwoods that can withstand the test of time. The robust nature of these materials means that rustic furniture can endure the rigors of daily use, making it an excellent investment for families and individuals alike. Unlike mass-produced furniture made from particle board or laminate, rustic wood furniture tends to maintain its integrity over years of wear and tear. This durability reduces the need for frequent replacements, ultimately leading to cost savings in the long run. The versatility of rustic wood furniture also deserves attention. This style can seamlessly integrate into a variety of decor themes, from traditional and farmhouse to modern and industrial. The natural hues and textures of rustic wood can complement a wide range of colors and materials, allowing homeowners to personalize their spaces while maintaining a cohesive look. This adaptability makes rustic wood furniture an appealing choice for those who enjoy changing their decor or experimenting with different styles over time. The ability to mix and match rustic pieces with other design elements enables individuals to create unique environments that reflect their personalities. Moreover, rustic wood furniture often emphasizes craftsmanship and artisanal quality. Many rustic pieces are handcrafted by skilled artisans who take pride in their work. This attention to detail not only enhances the quality of the furniture, but also imbues each piece with a sense of authenticity and character. Homeowners can take pride in owning furniture that reflects the dedication and skill of its maker, fostering a deeper connection to the items in their homes. This appreciation for craftsmanship encourages individuals to value quality over quantity, promoting a more thoughtful approach to purchasing and decorating. The environmental benefits of using rustic wood furniture are also noteworthy. Many artisans prioritize sourcing wood from sustainably managed forests or reclaimed materials, ensuring that their practices align with eco-friendly principles. By choosing rustic wood furniture, consumers can make environmentally conscious choices that contribute to the preservation of natural resources. This commitment to sustainability resonates with many individuals today as they seek to reduce their ecological footprint and support practices that promote environmental stewardship. The use of reclaimed wood, in particular, reduces waste and minimizes the demand for new lumber, making it a responsible choice for those concerned about sustainability. In addition to its environmental advantages, rustic wood furniture can enhance indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials that may emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other harmful substances, natural wood tend to have a lower environmental impact. This characteristic can create a healthier living environment, particularly for individuals with allergies or sensitivities. By incorporating rustic wood furniture into their homes, individuals can foster a more comfortable and inviting atmosphere while promoting overall well-being. The tactile experience of rustic wood furniture further enhances its appeal. The natural textures and finishes invite touch, creating a sensory experience that enriches the overall enjoyment of the furniture. This tactile quality fosters a deeper connection between individuals and their living spaces, encouraging them to engage more fully with their environment. The physical interaction with rustic wood, whether it's the smooth surface of a table or the rough texture of a reclaimed beam, can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity, making the home feel more inviting. Moreover, rustic wood furniture can serve as a canvas for personal expression. The wide variety of styles, finishes, and customization options available allows homeowners to curate their spaces according to their tastes and preferences. Whether one prefers a more polished look or a weathered appearance, rustic wood can be tailored to suit individual aesthetics. This ability to personalize one's living environment fosters a sense of ownership and pride, making the home feel truly reflective of its occupants. Such personal touches can enhance emotional well-being, contributing to a more satisfying living experience. The social aspect of rustic wood furniture should not be overlooked. The inviting nature of rustic pieces can encourage gatherings and interactions among family and friends. A well-designed rustic dining table, for instance, becomes a central hub for meals and celebrations, fostering connections and creating memories. The warmth and charm of rustic furniture can enhance social dynamics, making spaces more conducive to meaningful interactions. In a world where personal connections are increasingly important, the presence of rustic wood furniture can facilitate the kind of gatherings that enrich relationships and strengthen community bonds. Additionally, the investment in rustic wood furniture can yield long-term financial benefits. While the initial cost of high-quality rustic pieces may be higher than that of mass-produced alternatives, the durability and timeless appeal of would often lead to greater longevity. Well-crafted rustic furniture can appreciate in value over time, making it not just functional, but also a potential asset. This financial aspect encourages individuals to view their purchases as investments rather than mere expenses, fostering a more thoughtful approach to home decor. Creating rustic wood furniture can also be a source of pride for artisans and craftsmen. The process of transforming raw materials into functional pieces allows them to engage with their craft on a deeper level. Each completed project serves as a testament to their skills, creativity, and dedication. This sense of achievement can enhance overall well-being, providing artisans with a meaningful outlet for self-expression and creativity. The fulfillment derived from creating beautiful, functional pieces that others can appreciate adds another layer of satisfaction to the work. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked rustic wood furniture and decor pieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.